Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel djangoworld. So in today's video, we are going to see destroy model mixin. Okay, so first of all, I'll just import that mixin in the block detail generic view. So I'll say mixins dot destroy model mixin. Okay, and here I need to create another function which is def delete, and you know what? I'll just copy and paste that function. Okay, I'm very lazy person, so I'll just copy and paste, but you guys need to practice so you don't copy and paste these functions. Okay, and here I'll say delete, and here also I'll say delete. That's it for this destroy model mixing. Now once this is done, if I go ahead and run my server and come over here and refresh, you can see we got this delete button. Okay, and if I click on this delete, my data should be deleted, so it is saying maximum recursion depth exceeded. Okay, so this is the error. I need to solve this. Why is it so? Okay, I need to write destroy over here, not delete. Okay, so please take care of this. Now I need to go back. Okay, I'll say 5 over here. Now if I click on delete and delete, data has been deleted. Now if I refresh this link, you can see detail not found. Alright, so this is working, but if I copy this link, let me see whether I have 4. Yeah, I have this 4th data. I'll just copy this link, come to VS Code, go to Rapid API, and I'll go to this block detail generic. Okay, here I'll instead of put, I'll select delete, and here instead of 5 I'll say 4. Okay, first let me do get request. You can see I'm getting the data. Now let me put delete request. I'll just erase all the data from the JSON box. Okay, and I'll say send. Data has been deleted. If I refresh over here, you can see detailed data not found. Okay, so let me go to class blog list and I'll say just get request. Okay, let me open that link over here. I'll say blog. Okay, I will open this one. You can see now I have only 2 data, which is ID 7 and 8. Okay, so this is it for the destroy model mixing. Okay, so in from next video we are going to start with concrete generic views. Okay, so yeah, we are done with generic API view with mixins. So in next video we are going to start with concrete generic view. Okay, and yeah, this is it for today's video guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.